Right now, while most people are earning 0.01% on their savings, some accounts are paying over 5% APY. That's literally 500 times more interest on the same money. If you have $10,000 sitting in a traditional savings account, you're missing out on over $500 in free money every single year. Welcome back to Cashflow Kingdom, where we break down personal finance without the confusing jargon. I'm here to help you make your money work harder, not smarter. Today, we're diving deep into the best high-yield savings accounts available right now in 2025. I'll show you exactly which banks are offering the highest rates, what catches to watch out for, and how to choose the perfect account for your situation. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to park your emergency fund to maximize your earnings. Let's start with some real talk about why this matters more than ever. The Federal Reserve has kept interest rates elevated, which means high-yield savings accounts are paying rates we haven't seen in over a decade. But here's the kicker: your traditional bank probably hasn't passed those benefits on to you. While online banks are offering 4.5% to 5.5% APY, most brick-and-mortar banks are still paying around 0.01%. That's not a typo. On a $20,000 emergency fund, that's the difference between earning $2 per year versus $1,000 per year. The math is simple, but most people don't realize they're leaving this money on the table. The best part? Moving your money to a high-yield account is completely free and takes about 10 minutes online. Let's jump into the accounts offering the absolute highest rates right now. First up is Marcus by Goldman Sachs, currently offering 5.4% APY with no minimum balance and no monthly fees. This is consistently one of the top performers, and Goldman Sachs isn't going anywhere. Next, we have Ally Bank at 5.25% APY. Ally has been a favorite for years because of their user-friendly app and excellent customer service. They also offer a solid checking account if you want to keep everything in one place. Third is Capital One 360 Performance Savings at 5% APY. What I love about Capital One is their cafe locations if you ever need in-person help, plus they have one of the most robust mobile banking platforms. All three of these have FDIC insurance up to $250,000 per depositor, so your money is completely protected. Now, the highest APY isn't everything. You want an account you actually enjoy using. American Express Personal Savings offers 5.35% APY and honestly has the cleanest, most intuitive interface I've tested. Plus, if you have an Amex credit card, everything integrates seamlessly. SoFi is another standout at 5% APY, but they sweeten the deal with no account fees ever, plus they offer financial planning tools and even career coaching as part of their membership. Then there's Discover Bank at 5.35% APY. What's unique about Discover is their cashback checking account. If you use both products, you get a nice ecosystem that rewards you for keeping your money there. All of these banks have award-winning customer service and mobile apps that actually work when you need them. If this is helping you see how much money you've been missing out on, smash the like button and subscribe for new money tips every Tuesday. Don't sleep on credit unions, they often beat traditional banks on rates and fees. Quorum Federal Credit Union is offering 5.55% APY right now, which is higher than most online banks. The catch? You need to meet membership requirements, but they're pretty broad. You just need to live in certain states or work for partner employers. NASA Federal Credit Union offers 5.45% APY and their membership is open to anyone through the National Space Society for just a small fee. What I love about credit unions is they're member-owned, so they're genuinely working in your interest, not trying to maximize profits for shareholders. Service Credit Union rounds out my top picks at 5.5% APY. They serve military families but also civilians in certain areas. The application process might take a bit longer than online banks, but the rates speak for themselves. Before you get excited and open 5 accounts, let me save you from some common mistakes. First, watch out for teaser rates. Some banks offer crazy high APY for the first few months, then drop you down to 1%. Always check what the rate will be after the promotional period. Second, minimum balance requirements can kill your returns. If an account requires $25,000 minimum to get the advertised rate, and you only have $10,000, you might earn nothing.